that we plant in our homes and then, begin to plant economic trees. I think praise should go to the government of Anambra State under the leadership of His Excellency Governor Willie Obiano. In 2020, the government launched a scheme, an agricultural scheme, tagged Uba Zone, or that means backyard farming, and that has really encouraged in the Anambra to begin to start to practice backyard farming. Okay, so let us plant the food that we will eat tomorrow, today. Some of us that are familiar with innovations in agriculture will attest that there are now new ways that people can do this. So, for example, people now plant in sacks, buckets, and even, water in a bowl. So non-availability of land is no longer an excuse. So this is something that we have to do for our own personal survival. So having talked about food, I want to talk about something else that borders on harvesting the seeds of today, of what we planted yesterday. This time I want to talk about, a very critical issue that is affecting the Igbo society, and that's about the rising moral decadence in our society. And my conclusion is that we are reaping the benefits of the seeds we planted yesterday. Some of us will still remember in the 80s in Nigeria when some of our people took that inglorious turn of cloud chasing. I would choose to describe it that way. We're all buoyed by praise singing music by the likes of Oliver the Cook and many other musicians of that era. Who doesn't remember songs such as Anenwo Bodemwe, Nukumong, and what these songs did to the psyche of the growing Igbo man at the time? So I was now asking, what had become of the hallmark of Igbo entrepreneurial spirit? I'm talking about apprenticeship, Eba boy, Ebambo. These were virtues that we inherited from our parents and our forefathers. We choose to shun those. Many prefer the trappings of what advanced field fraud or 419 offered. The Ezego syndrome took over. Well, currently it appears we're back to the 90s again. All across Igbo land, the new slang is Ibutike. Ike being the strict slang for fast and quick acquisition of wealth, irrespective of the source. We are not making progress as a people if our young ones grow up having this type of Ibutike mindset. I think value orientation is the key. And, it's for all parents to, think about this. Ibutike syndrome manifests in many ways. Young men riding in expensive vehicles,